Hey, do you know that every day 3,000 apps is deployed in the app, in the stores? So wow, it's a big number. So it's more or less now there are 6 millions of apps into the store, Google Store and Apple Store. So but why? Well, the question is very easy. So the answer is very easy. So people are using apps every day. So and how the entrepreneur use that can take advantage on that and generate revenue from building an app is very, very simple questions. But it's not easy to answer. It's not easy because the question is about how much does it cost to make an app, to build an app. I'm Yuri, and from Evelon Ltd, and I'm helping the entrepreneurs to build their app, to scale their business by building an app, by using our method that reduce the risk of initial investment. So there are three main things plus one to consider when you build an app. First of all, the location of the company really depends the average of per hour they can ask you to build the app. So if you go to, for example, into a US market, the average price for a developer to build an app will be around 50 to 100K. If you go in Europe, more or less is the same, UK around 120. But if you go in different locations, like in India, will be much more cheaper. So the range, the windows of your app can be around from 10K to 40K. It really depends. The second thing is about the features, which is the complexity of the features that you want to ask. If you consider 5 or 6 main features that you want in your app, well, depends. So one can be just a simple app, just with a small backend, 5 features. The other one can be involved like a team of a designer, modeling things. If you consider, for example, a VR, a virtual reality, so can change a lot that part, right? The third one is about the platform that you want to use. If you want to start by writing directly into the native way, like a native apps is written by using the Android code or in iOS code, and that will be the double, An option would be obviously to use an hybrid way. So that means there's one single platform like Flutter, and write down the entire code, the entire app in Flutter, and then deploy translate that and deploy in iOS and then in Android. The plus one means that it really depends on how many money you have side aside for your budget, for your app, how much you want to invest to launch your app, right? So these are the 4 things mainly that change the price, that can give you a range of price when you start building an app and you ask to a company to build an app. My personal suggestion is to start with the MVP, start with the minimum viable product. So to test your market, to see how the customer react to your idea, to your product. Then fix the things, change the things. Can be done. Can be very, very easy to move the idea with adding some modules or deleting other things. So start with an MVP, and then that reduce the initial cost, and then probably go to the as a service system. That will be very, very scalable, very, very useful for scale quickly, or to change or make differences. Still, again, the same concept, to add some features based on your market. If you really enjoyed this video, just comment below that you like it, and obviously smash the button subscribe to my channel. I will see you next video, and I have some other tips with the marketing, with how to launch your app. See you very soon. Bye.